Guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all well. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I have a wig from Wiggins hair. You guys check the info section below. I'll have everything located there. So this is the wig that I have. I have their loose deep wave lace frontal wig. My wig is 24 inches long, 200% density. It also has a pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs. This is what it looks like. Now I did bleach the knots off camera just because you guys see me do this plenty times before, but I'll go ahead and link a video above in the cards as well as below in the info section in case you guys want to see exactly how I do it. So right now I'm just thinning out the perimeter of the hairline. It doesn't necessarily need it, but of course I just went ahead and tweezed it just a little bit just to make it look a little more realistic around the hairline. I'm going to also go ahead and get this hair styled up. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So this is about 3 days later. The hair is completely dry, and this is what it looks like. It's looking real nice. Now when it comes to loose deep wave hair, I typically like to crimp it. However, I was enjoying the texture that this hair was giving me, so I just kept it as is. Now here's the lace. It is in that really white transparent color, so I'm using a little bit of foundation just to tint that a bit. It did come out a little orange for my liking. I don't know why I chose this foundation. This typically isn't the one that I tend to reach for, but at the end it worked out. So I'm taking my bedhead hard head spray and I'm spraying along the lace, just on top of the lace. I don't do the whole under the lace spray. It's just a bit too much for me. Then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it. Now here's a tip, just in case you guys don't want it to flake up or get real crusty and stuff. Spray a little bit of this spray, just a little bit. Don't overdo it, because I have a love-hate relationship with this spray, but I found that when you just spray just a little bit, it doesn't flake up or get real, flaky and stuff like that. So I went ahead and I did that. Now I'm just going to just take my wax stick and just lay everything down. I really wanted this wig application to look very natural, so I'm doing extremely minimal baby hairs, just enough to make it look like it's growing from my scalp. Okay, so this is what this wig is looking like, and y'all, I don't know why I always install my wigs that far back. Like, I literally be exposing myself with my big forehead. Like, my wig always look like it's slipping back, but I promise you guys, like, I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together next time. But you guys get into this hair. It is super soft, and you guys look at the texture. I typically don't like to go for the loose wave textured hair just because it doesn't really hold and it gets real frizzy, but this one is just hitting differently. I don't know what's going on. I love the texture, super soft. I don't have anything on the hair at all. Now I did shampoo and condition, but that was it. You guys can just see how well it's holding together, how soft it looks, no shedding whatsoever. You guys check out Wiggins. I'll leave all the information in the info section below, and if you follow them on their Facebook page, you can definitely get a discount code to save some cash. Let me know how you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you guys.